In this upcoming conference on transforming supply chains for sustainable future, we are bringing together all the industry leaders and experts to share the actionable strategies for decarbonization, risk management and sustainable growth. This is more than just a conference because it is a platform where innovative ideas will be meeting practical solutions. So I request all of you to join in this event and gain the valuable insights that will not only help you in your businesses to thrive in today's competitive market, but will also contribute positively to the planet Earth. Remember, together we can build resilient, responsible and supply chains that may lead the way for the generations to come. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.